Kaika, what you got for your Valentine? What you got? Toma, what you got?
I got a new
appreciate it.
I got
Okay, thank you.
and the giraffe.
The giraffe for Kaika.
This is the giraffe.
That's giraffe for Kaika. Say Kaika, thank you.
And I got
Money.
And they got money.
Say thank you.
And I got a lunchbox. I don't know where it is. And we both get one of these candies.
A lot of candies, huh?
And these candies.
Oh, which girl you want to give those candies?
Nobody.
Are you gonna eat them all? You gonna share with anybody?
I'm gonna share with Kai.
And who else?
Or I could get. But I could put these in my lunchbox.
Kaika.
I could put this in my lunchbox. I could put any of these in my lunchbox and give it to my friends too.
Kaika, what you got? Mo kata? Ini. Say candy. And flowers and balloon from Daddy. Look, Kaika. Ooh, it's a beautiful flowers. Kaika, what?
And I got magic to show you. Look. Now all
Balloon,
the cards
yeah.
are on the top.
Okay.
This is magic. And then see? Wait.
All the cars on the top again.
No, that's not. Wait. Not doing it. Wait. Hey. There. The cards are all on the top.
Are you done, Toma? Hurry up.
Are you done with your not so magic?
Magic.
Whoa!
Out.
Oh my God.
Wow, goodness. Well, can you just say thank you?
Thank you.
Kiss, kiss. Say thank you.